Let's learn about Windows operating system commands. This video covers internal and external commands of Cmd. Command prompt is officially called as Windows command processor. It is also referred to as the command shell or Cmd prompt. First command is date. This command is used to see date on screen, and it is also used to change date. Syntax is C. C stands for drive, followed by colon, slash, angular bracket, which is also called as prompt. After prompt, you should type command. So the command is DATE, date. Second command is time. This command is used to see time on screen. So syntax is as follows. After prompt, you have to type command time, and it displays time on the screen. Third command is CLS. It stands for clear. It is used to clear the screen. To clear the screen, use command CLS. Next command is dir. It stands for directory. This command is used to see the list of directories. After prompt, type dir to see the list of directories. Next, fifth command is ver. This command stands for version, and it is used to display the current DOS version. Similar way, after prompt, type the command ver, which shows the current version of the system. Next command is help. It gives help on all DOS command or a specific command. After prompt, type HELP for help. Seventh command is CD. It stands for change directory. It enables you to change the current directory. In this example, let's see how to change directory. C is the drive, followed by colon slash. Next is the users. This is the one of the directory, and slash followed by another directory, that is programs. So programs directory is under users, and users is under C drive, followed by prompt. Now in this example, I am on the location on C drive. In users folder, under users, I am in programs folder. I want to get back to the root directory, I want to get back to the main drive, that is C drive. For this, you should use command cd and followed by slash, change directory. After prompt, you should type cd slash and press enter on your keyboard. It will take you to the C drive. So after typing this command, it takes you to the top of the directory tree, in this case to the C drive. As you can see, after typing this command and when you press enter on your keyboard, you will be on the C drive. Next is when you need to go one folder up, use the cd ... command. Now, for example, let's assume that you want to go back to the Windows folder. Then you should type cd ... and press enter. Now let's understand example where we want to go only one folder up. As in the previous case, we went to the main drive. In this case, we'll move back to one folder. Here I want to go back to Windows folder. Here in this example, I am currently in the C drive / under C drive I am in Windows directory, under Windows I am in System32 directory. Here in this example, I want to go back to Windows folder. For this, type cd ... This will take you one folder up, that is to Windows folder. So these are the two ways you can use cd. First method is you can use cd / to go to the main drive, as in this example we learnt, and the other way is cd ... which takes you one folder up, as in this case we went from System32 to Windows folder or directory. Cd command helps you to change the current directory. Next command is path. This command is used to display the current path. After prompt, you should type path to know the current path. Echo command, ECHO. Echo command is used to display messages on the screen. For example, after prompt, you should type ECHO and any message. This is the syntax. Let's look at this example. In this example, echo command ECHO space message is hello, HELLO, hello. Press enter on your keyboard and this command will display echo message on the screen. Next command is mkdir. It stands for make directory. This command is used to make directory in the current directory, and the syntax is as follows: mkdir space name of the directory. You can make directory in any drive, in C drive, in D, etc. To make directory, after prompt, type the command. Here in this example, I am creating directory in C drive. You can create in any drive and in any directory. To create directory, type command mkdir space followed by the directory name. It can be any name. Here in this example, the name is test, and press enter. After pressing enter, directory test will be created. Next command is dir/b. This command is used to list all the files and folders inside directory. Same way, after prompt, type dir/b, which displays all the number of files and folders. 12th command is more, more. This displays content of file. Syntax is more, space name of the file. For example, I want to display the content of file college.txt. Type command more space college.txt, press enter, and it will display all the contents inside college text file. As we learned 12 commands till now and we were working on the C directory. Now, the case where you want to use another disk or drive, let's understand first syntax of the command. Syntax will be, after the current prompt, type the drive name followed by colon. Let's look at example. For example, I am on C drive and this is the prompt. After prompt, type drive name and colon. Press enter on your keyboard and you will be on the location D drive. Next command is type, which displays contents of the file on the screen. Similar way, we learnt more command. more command and type command are same, which displays the contents of file on the screen. Let's understand command. After prompt, type type space followed by the file name. Let's see this example. Type type space name of the file demo1.txt. After pressing enter, it will display all the content inside demo1 text file. To list all the files with .txt extension, that is all text file, you should type command dir space star.txt, or you can even use dir star txt. This will display all the text files in the directory. In a similar way, you can even display document file. Type dir space star doc and press enter. All the document files will be displayed. Next command is copycon. This is an MS-DOS and Windows command line command that allows the creation of a file through the command line. To use this command, type copycon followed by the name of the file you want to create as shown. Let's look at this example. After prompt, type copycon and name of the file. Name of the file is test.doc. That is, this will create document type file. After this command is typed, you are written to a blank line, that is this line, blank line, which is the start of your file, and you can type content inside the file. Again, when you press enter after this line, again you are written to a blank line. In this way, you will be written to a number of lines. After typing into the file, use Ctrl+Z to exit from this. After exiting, the file will be created successfully. So you can create the file with the help of copycon command. Next command is del, which stands for delete. This command is used to delete a file. Syntax is del space name of the file. For example, we want to delete file test.doc, type command del space name of the file test.doc. After pressing enter, test.document, that is test file, will be deleted. Next is rename or ren. This command is used to rename computer files and in some implementations also directories. Here ren is alias for rename. So both refer to the same command, rename and ren. Let's see syntax. Rename space old file name, again space new file name. So let's see at this example. Rename command space name of the file. For example, name of the file is abc.txt space new file name is xyz.txt. So abc is the old file name and xyz.txt is the new file name. After executing the above command, we will have abc.txt as xyz.txt. Next command is copy. This command is used to copy one or more files from one location to another. Command is as follows. Copy command space type name of the file space destination path. So look at this example. Command copy space name of the file is test.doc space path is D drive D:. You can also give a proper path with folders also. In this case, I want to copy only in D drive. After executing this command, test.doc will be copied in the drive D. Now, to change whether a file or folder exists with Cmd command line. So the syntax is if exist space file name space echo command space message. So this is the syntax if you want to check whether a file or folder exists or not. Let's look at this example. If space exist space name of the file demo1.txt. Here I want to check whether demo1 file exists or not. Space echo, and in the echo I will give message. Here my message is file exists. When you press enter, if the file exists, it will display file exists, otherwise none. Next command is who am I. This command is used to know the user. If you want to know the user, type command who am I and you will come to know the user. Next, to create a copy of a file with another name. So previously we learned how to create copy. Now let's learn how to create a copy of a file with another name. So with this, a copy will be created as well as it will be created with other name. Let's look at the syntax. Command is copy space source file name, and next will be the new file name. Look at this example. First comes the copy command space source file name, that is demo1.txt. So here I want to copy demo1.txt plus I want to make a copy with another name, that is sample.txt. So after executing this command, we will have a copy of demo1.txt as sample.txt. So a copy of demo1.txt will be created with name sample.txt. Next command is Rmdir. It stands for remove directory. It is used to delete entire folder or directory. Here we will take a sample folder named test. So this test folder is placed in the C drive and we'll try to delete it using Rmdir command in Cmd. So for that, type Rmdir space directory name, that is test, which is located in C. After pressing enter, test will be deleted from the drive C. Next command is move. This command is used to move a file from one folder to another, and the syntax is as follows: move source path space destination path. Example is move command. So here my source path is d:/, this is the drive. Into the drive my directory is test, and under directory test is sample.doc file. So I want to move this file to demo file, which is located in the same drive, that is C. So as I want to move in the same drive, that is why I am not mentioning drive here. Now I will move sample.doc from D drive to C drive in demo file. After executing this command, sample.doc will be moved into the directory demo file, which is located in the C drive. Last command is color command, color command, color command. This command is used to change the color of command prompt. Color command is used to change the color, text, and also the background color of CMD. The syntax is color command space XY. Here, X represents the color of the terminal's background and Y represents the color of the font. So you can use both variables or you can also use one variable. Let's see example with both variables. Your example is color 1A. This will change the color of both text and background. 1 will be the color of the terminal's background and A will be the color of font. The two variables, that is X and Y, can be numbers or alphabets. Numbers, that is from 0 to 9, and alphabets from A to F. You can use numbers and alphabets. So these are the two variables x and y you can use. Let's see another example. The example is color 1. In this example, only one color variable is used. So this will only change one color, that is font color. So there are different colors used. For example, 0 stands for black, 1 for blue, 2 for green, 3 for aqua, 4 for red, 5 for purple, and so on. Similar way, A stands for light green, B for light aqua, and etc. So these are all the commands covered in the video. I hope you learned all these commands through this video. Stay tuned, as in my next coming video I will share how to execute all these commands on Cmd. So we'll learn how to execute these commands practically in Cmd. Do not forget to hit the red subscribe button, like this video, and let me know your thoughts in the comments box below. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.